Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. The masses in grams of bags of flour are normally distributed with mean U, okay? The masses m grams of random sample of 50 bags are summarized with this and this, okay? Calculate a 96% confidence interval giving the endpoints correct to one decimal place. So the first thing we need to do is we need to calculate the mean, which is basically given by the summation of m over n. Summation of m is basically 25110 over 50. Okay, so 25110 I can simply solve on the calci. Okay, so 25110 over 50. Okay, so when I do that on the calci, I get my answer basically as 502.2. And for variance, my formula is 1 over n minus 1 with the summation of m square minus the summation of m the whole square over n. So I can write this basically as 1 over 49 with 12610,300 minus 25110 the whole square over 50. Correct? So I can write this also on the calculator. Okay, will take a little bit of time. Just give me 1 second. 25110 the whole square over 50. So when I do that, I get my answer basically as 1.184. Okay, now I need the confidence interval, and I need basically a 96% confidence interval. So what I simply do is, I know I have this, correct? 96% means area in middle here is 0.96. 1 minus 0.96 is 0.04, which I can divide by 2. So I can get my answer as 0.02 and 0.02. So now I need the z value for this and this. For that, I can simply do 0.96 plus 0.02, which will give me 0.98. So what I can do is, I can go up to my table and I can search for 0.98. Okay, 0.98, if you see, I have 0.9798 here, which is 2.05. Okay, so this is 2.05, correct? But now it's missing around by 2 places, so I'll have 2 here, which gives me 4. So I can write 2.054. So I can write 2.054 and negative 2.054. So now what we can do is, we can write this as the upper z equals to the upper x minus the mean over the standard deviation over root n. Correct? So now the upper z value I know is simply 2.054 minus the upper x value minus the mean, which is 502.2 over the root of 1.184 over the root of n, which I know is simply 50. So now I can use my calci for this. So 2.054 into the square root of 1.184 divided by 50, and that will be added to 502.2, which will give my answer as 502.5. Now for the z lower value, it equals to the x lower value minus the mean over standard deviation over root n. So minus 2.054 equals to the lower z value minus the mean, which is 502.2 over the square root of 1.184 over 50. So now I can solve this on the calc, correct? So now when I solve this, okay, and I basically add 502.2 to it, I get my answer x lower as 501.9. So now I know confidence intervals are written by lower limit comma the upper limit. This can be written as 502.5, sorry, the other way around. 501.9 comma 502.5. Okay, now another random sample of 50 bags of flour is taken with a 99% confidence interval. Okay, and the mean is calculated. Without calculation, state whether the confidence interval will be wider or narrower and give a reason. So if you see, we calculated a 96% confidence interval which has a lower z value compared to a 99% confidence interval. So we can say the z value is higher, correct? Because a 99% confidence interval will have a higher z value than a 96% confidence interval. So z value is higher, hence width is wider, correct? Yeah.